After being completely isolated by Lok Janshakti Party, party's national president and Jamui MP Chirag Paswan is getting flurry of offers from the opposition parties now to join the Mahagathbandhan. This is big news coming in. Congress made an open offer to Chirag Paswan to join the Congress party. Rashtriya Janata Dal said that the current political situation in Bihar favored Chirag Paswan and Tejasvi Yadav to join hands together. So Congress right there booing Chirag Paswan after he was left isolated by 5 of his own MPs, and we're getting a reaction that is coming in on this story. Listen in.
तो जेडीयू ने राजनीतिक बदला लिया और बीजेपी ने एलजेपी को तोड़ के एक दलित पॉलिटिक्स को कमजोर करने की कोशिश की है। तो अब तो ये चिराग पासवान को फैसला लेना है। उनके पिताजी कांग्रेस के कैबिनेट में मिनिस्टर रहे। तो मैं समझता हूँ जिन लोगों ने उनके साथ धोखाधड़ी की है, उनके पार्टी को तोड़ा है, वो जेडीयू और बीजेपी है। तो ये सही वक्त है कि चिराग पासवान कांग्रेस पार्टी और गठबंधन के साथ जुड़ें और उन लोगों को उनकी राजनीतिक औकात पे लाएं जिन्होंने उनके साथ धोखाधड़ी किया है।
Rohit Singh is breaking the story. Rohit, a lot of political drama taking place right there. Firstly, Chirag Paswan was isolated from the LJP. And of course, his uncle was the reason behind this particular isolation with the 5 MPs that he got into his fold. And now the Congress party is trying to woo Chirag Paswan to join the Mahagathbandhan right there. What is the sense that you're picking up from Chirag Paswan? What perhaps is his decision likely to be?
Well, see, the one fact remains is that Chirag has been completely left isolated within LJP after you see yesterday there was a split that took in the party, and Chacha Pashupati Paras is now the chairman of the parliamentary board of LJP, and efforts are also being made to oust Chirag as the national president of LJP, and Pashupati Paras wants that he should become the national president. So efforts in that direction is going on. But on the other hand, back in Bihar, you see there is a flurry of offers being made to Chirag Paswan. Right from RJD till and the Congress, everyone is now offering him to join their party. You see, the Congress is asking that if he joins the Congress party, it will strengthen the Bihar Congress. And RJD thinks that if two youth icons, you can say, of Bihar politics, Chirag Paswan and Tejasvi Yadav, they join hands together. They are obviously the future of Bihar politics. They are the future of Bihar. So that will not only make Mahagathbandhan strong, but also at the state level and at the national level, Mahagathbandhan will grow. So this is the kind of offer being made by Congress and RJD. But at this point of time, these are just offers, and decision has to be taken by Chirag Paswan, who is absolutely isolated at this point of time, both in the party as well as in the family also.
Yes, absolutely. He's been isolated right there, and the Congress is now wooing Chirag Paswan. We'll continue tracking these dramatic developments that are coming in. For the moment,